Okay, for the 21st century skill, okay, you can see from the beginning, first of all, it's about the critical thinking and problem solving. So you have to create your classroom or your lesson according to the task here. Okay, number 2, collaboration across networks and leading by influence. How you understand collaboration across network and leading by influence. Okay, you also leading your student by influence. We discussed about agility and adaptability last week. Okay, adaptability, and we discussed in depth. And later on, effective oral and written communication. Effective oral and written communication. We should be able to come up to that level to have effective oral and written communication. Next one, assessing and analyzing information, which means we have to assess and analyze all the infos that we receive, not just simply taking into our belief, 100% and so on. You might have to analyze the information. Curiosity and imagination. Always have a curiosity and imagine to do something. Okay, so next one, outcome-based research and learning. This is practical in terms of whatever action we have to come out with the research finding. And then one, the creativity, collaboration, communication, cooperation. What's creativity? Creativity means being able to create something creatively. Collaboration, can work with other people. Communication, same like just now, effective oral and written communication. And of course, cooperation, always can cooperate with people. Doesn't mean you can work alone all the time. You have the skill of cooperation. Even though we are down with the COVID-19 at the present, and at least we still can cooperate. Not face to face, but we can cooperate online. Online discussion, online cooperation, and so on. Because we are so used to the manual cooperation, we have to meet each other. Now only can cooperate. No, cooperation in different situation, different approach. And the last one, experience, knowledge, and skill. We try to have experience, knowledge, and skill in order to live with the 21st century. Those skills are very important. Very important. So class, in order to create your classroom situation, you need to have this skill in it. You have to be what I call well-versed of all the criteria on 21st century skills that we outline here. Try to look at each one. So try to have a checklist on your own. Try to have checklist on your own. Do you able to come up to this level? If not, what should you do? You have to learn more, acquire more, and so on. Okay, so that's all about it. Okay, all right. So I hope we have a clear picture on the 21st century skills. And for your information, when I was the trainer for school transformation program, school transformations program, initiated by Ministry of Education of Malaysia. So we went all over the schools, to coach the school administrators, the headmasters, the principals, the teachers, about 21st century skills. We need to move along with the century. When the century changing, and we are going to a new century, we need to change. Just imagine those days we use a blackboard. Imagine the blackboard, but sooner we change to whiteboard, and then now it's whiteboard class. Amira, okay, class, for your information, your class participation is very important. So the more you answer in interactive in the class, that's better. For at the present we are using what they call a digital board. So very, very advanced. Yeah. So that's about 21st century skill. Yeah.